Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Volkswagen Golf seats. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Torx bit set, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. A trim removal tool is also crucial to avoid damaging your car's interior. Before you begin, always disconnect the car battery to ensure safety, especially when dealing with electrical connections under the seats. This simple step prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. Now, let's tackle the front seats. Begin by sliding each front seat all the way forward to expose the two Torx bolts at the rear of the seat rails. Carefully remove these bolts using your ratchet. Next, slide the seat fully backward to reveal the two front Torx bolts. Once these are removed, gently tilt the seat back to access the electrical connectors underneath. Disconnect them carefully before lifting the seat out of the vehicle. Moving on to the rear seats, these are generally simpler to remove. Start by locating the two release levers, usually found at the front edge of the rear bench seat. Pull these levers firmly upwards to unlatch the bench. Once unlatched, lift the entire bench seat upwards and slide it out of the vehicle. For the backrest, you'll typically find bolts at the bottom or sides. Remove these, then lift the backrest to detach it from its mounting points. Safety is paramount during this process. Always keep track of all bolts and small parts in a designated container to ensure a smooth reinstallation. When putting the seats back, make sure all electrical connectors are securely reattached before bolting anything down. Double-check that the seat belts function correctly and that the seats are firmly secured. For more great tips and to explore other deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the link in the description below. Your safety and comfort are our top priorities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.